way that it gives a kind of cool girl wave has become, legendary.
The classic wave wand I would use if somebody was wanting to have super undone lazy hair.
I love texture. I love to be able to create any texture, a beautiful soft wave, a tousled finish, that sort of polished, beachy finish.
It's very, very simple to use, that oval shape. I think you'd look at it and think, gosh, I've never seen that. But I think it's one of the most simple things we have in the range.
The shape of it is really unique, and there's nothing out there that makes it that easy for a consumer to style their hair at home. With the ultrazone technology, it constantly monitors the hair, so it doesn't matter how big or small your sections are, you're going to get seamless curls.
It gives you this incredible setting power because it's heating the hair consistently, and that means that the hair is going to last a long time in the style you've created. It absolutely is foolproof.